Hi guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to create 3 different looks for your bedroom. I really love the luxurious hotel glam look for my bed. So if you are interested in seeing how I created these 3 looks, keep on watching. Alright, so this is when I first got my bed. This is my dad and I actually unboxing my mattress. I got the 2-low mattress from Mattress Firm in the medium firmness in a queen size. So this is just us unboxing the bed. This is not sponsored, by the way. So it came with this tool to help you remove all of the plastic from the mattress. And that's just what we're doing here. I really just wanted to show you guys how cool it looks to unbox this mattress. So we're just positioning it the right way, and it's just really fascinating to me how it expands automatically as soon as you take the plastic off. As you can see here, it is already inflated. So I'll definitely put a link in the description box of the mattress that I purchased. Like I said, this isn't sponsored. It's just a really comfortable mattress. As you can see, I could not help myself and had to test it out. So this is what my bedroom looks like. I am pulling my sheets straight out of the dryer. And right now I'm just adding my fitted sheet. So I really like to make sure I get the corners in correctly and make sure the sheet is on there very snug and tight. So I'm just lining up the corners and tucking in any excess. And I was not always a top sheet fan, but I have learned that a top sheet is essential to making your bed correctly, and so I'm just adding that here. And now I'm pretty much a fan of the top sheet. As you can see, I'm folding the top of the sheet down before I tuck everything in, and again I'm tucking it all the way around, making it really snug so it feels like getting into a nice snug bed. At the corners, I'm just folding it over like a present. So for the first look, I'm going to be adding the comforter first. I got this comforter from Target, and I'll put a link down in the description box for you. It's actually an 8-piece set, and as you'll see, I'll only be using a couple of pieces from the set. I'm tucking that down at the bottom very snug, but I'm going to leave the sides hanging down. Next, I'm adding this quilt that I found at Tuesday Morning. It's a super soft velvety quilt, and I'm just going to be folding that quilt down and laying it at the bottom of the bed. So as you see here, I'm folding it in fours and just layering that at the foot of the bed. So like I said, I just pulled these sheets out of the dryer, so I need to add my pillowcases. I am fluffing them because I think that's super essential to having a nice, comfortable looking bed. And I do have these satin pillowcases that I've had for years. Those are the ones I actually like to sleep on because it's better for your hair and skin. And I'm just adding the pillowcases that came with my sheet set now. And you'll see here I'm going to be laying them flat and stacking them on top of each other for that really full luxurious look. Here I'm adding my Euro pillows, and the shams that are on the Euro pillows did come with the 8-piece set with my comforter. So now I'm just adding my accent pillows, and my accent pillows are from TJ Maxx. They came in a set of 2, and I will just be using 3 of them. I like to layer the middle pillow slightly behind the first 2. the two on the ends. And you'll see I'm doing a lot of karate chopping. I think it makes the pillows look full and fluffy and a bit classy. And the last pillow I'm adding is my lumbar pillow. It's a velvet gray pillow that I also found at TJ Maxx. So this is what the first look looks like. It's very layered with the pillows, and I just love this one. So for the next look, I'm going to be starting with the quilt. This is actually going to be the opposite of the first one. So instead of laying the comforter down first, I'll be laying the quilt down first. I like this look for the summer months when it is a bit warmer outside. Instead of having a full comforter across the entire bed, you can have a lighter quilt or blanket on the bed as your first layer instead. So after tucking the quilt, I'm going to be adding my comforter, and just like I did the first set, I'm going to be folding it at the bottom of the bed. So like I said, this is great during the summer months. If you do get a bit cooler at night, you can always pull that comforter up on top of the quilt if you like. So now I am just layering my pillows very similar to the first design. So this is what the second look is going to look like. It shows the quilt off a bit more. Like I said, it's great for the summer months. So I probably will be doing this style a lot since it is very warm here in Atlanta. I eventually decided to fold back the comforter once more. You can also roll it back if you like for a very full look at the bottom of the bed, but I really wanted to show the quilt off a bit more, and I decided I like this look a lot better. So for the last look, I wanted it to look a bit more um, simplistic and inviting. So I'm just folding that top sheet back over the quilt. And I'm adding the sleep pillows. I'm not stacking them this time. I'm just laying them facing forward. And I like the look of the layered sheet, quilt, and comforter instead of layering so much with the accent pillows. So instead of adding all of the accent pillows as I did before, in this one I'm just going to be adding a few. So I decided to just do one of the smaller accent pillows and leave it at that. So this is the final look. It's a bit more layered with the sheet, quilt, and comforter, and more simple with the accent pillows. So that is how I make my bed 3 different ways. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite look. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.